Years before a single passenger steps on board the new underground line being built under the Brisbane River and CBD, the team delivering it believe their digital twin will have provided significant time and cost savings during design, construction and operational familiarisation. Cross River Rail is one of the largest infrastructure projects ever undertaken in Queensland and will be a once-in-a-generation transformation for how hundreds of thousands of people travel to, from and through Brisbane every day.
When Brisbane welcomes the world to the Olympic and Paralympic Games in 2032, locals, athletes and visitors will all benefit from how Cross River Rail helps them move from stadiums to precincts to the heart of our city.
These sorts of projects are incredibly complex. You have 17 work sites, thousands of humans, millions of models, and billions of dollars invested, all working towards a concrete deadline.
The Esri Australia and Autodesk digital twin developed for Cross River Rail is an interactive environment that gives the team a replica of what they haven't yet built. It brought Esri's ArcGIS and immersive visualization into a single federated digital twin, enabling the team to maintain technical accuracy throughout construction. And once the project is complete, they'll be able to use the digital twin to operate the infrastructure in real time. It creates consistent standards, automated workflows, and geospatial accuracy across every single worksite.
So we have what we call a passenger train interface. As you pull up to the station, what the driver's role, what a guard's role. We can look at a morning peak time. So if you have 36 people exiting one door and 9 people coming onto the train, how does that look like? What sort of dwell time do you need? So if you were to move 40,000 people for an event like the Olympics, you can have all of that in there.
The fact that we can spawn someone into a technically accurate photoreal representation of massive underground stations that don't even exist yet, let them explore exactly how they're going to work, and then use that same model to be able to pre-plan how the stations will operate in real time, the benefits are untold.
So we opened the Experience Centre in 2019, basically as a place where the public could come and learn about Queensland's largest infrastructure project. Engineers, designers, operational staff as well kind of come and use the innovative tools that we have in the centre. With any big infrastructure project, you're always going to have feedback from stakeholders and the community. A really interesting example is being able to use the 3D Viz model to show residents of a certain street where the new location of the station was going to be. So we were able to take that model, which was technically accurate and geospatially accurate thanks to Esri and Autodesk, and allay any fears that they may have had in terms of that move of the station.
When the new underground line opens, we can use the same model to confidently guide operations, maintenance, and even future upgrades. Instead of navigating disconnected models and documents, engineers and designers can see in a single model exactly what issues they need to address next. This clarity accelerates decision-making and reduces risk.
The two biggest tenets of our team are, does it speed up the process to yes? And how can we solve technical problems with digital solutions? Being able to adapt and to use these technologies is going to be what is a defining characteristic of success into the future. When you're running a project that's this complex, I don't think you could run it without this sort of technology enabling it nowadays. Previously, you might have years ago, you could do it eventually, but the time frame you would need for it and how you would actually approach that and the amount of money you would spend and the cost overruns and the design considerations you'd have to make would just make it inefficient. You would never be able to deliver it.
Cross River Rail's digital twin shows us the future of infrastructure. Once you've built with this level of clarity, there's no going back.